Hey gang, Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. I want to take a moment and show you another great feature of Perfect Blend. So you got your Perfect Blend app and you're going through this recipe library and you're like, that sounds delicious, that's great. Oh, I can't eat that, I can't eat that. Oh, I'm allergic to tree nuts. So let's have all these almond recipes. Now there's no reason to have them cluttering up your library, so you might as well hide them. So all you got to do is say Profile, and then up here you'll see a nice little diet icon. Hit the diet icon, and this will bring up all your different dietary preferences. Dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, egg-free, etc. Now let's just say I'm tree nut-free, and I can go back to my library, and you will notice that all of those almond recipes are gone. Another fun thing you can do is exclude specific ingredients. Like let's say I don't want apples. I can go right back in here, exclude ingredients. I'll type in the old word apple, and then I'll go through this list till I find apple, and there it is. So now when I go back to my browse screen, you can see all of the apple recipes are also gone. So go back to your profile. Yeah, you can dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan. It'll take care of all that for you. You can also, as many ingredients as you want to exclude, you can, like let's say bananas. So now maybe you changed your mind and you decided you actually do like bananas after you said you didn't. All you have to do is select the ingredient, swipe to the left, hit delete, and when you come back in, all of your banana recipes will be added back to your library. So there you have it. No matter what kind of diet you might be on or what allergies you may have, Perfect Blend has got you covered. If you have any other questions or comments, please let us know at makeitperfectly.com, and as always, have a perfect day.